Hey, this is How-To Guru. The bike runs. I got it all back together. I still need to clean it. I didn't have any time at all today to work on it except for put the chain on. I started up, took it for a quick ride. She's smooth. Suspension's very smooth. I went down my driveway and I didn't feel a bump. I mean, it's so smooth. So I'm gonna see if I can start it while I'm holding onto the camera. Oh, I gotta make sure I turn the key. Sometimes I forget about the key. I still got a lot more work to do. I got the headlight bracket, the bracket, the speedometer, tachometer. I didn't hook up the lights yet, the blinkers. I got them there, but they're not hooked up. The key thing's got to be mounted. But anyway, here we go. I'm not going to drive one hand, just going to start it. Oh, it's loud, but it's got a dirt bike silencer on it, which ain't very silent. And where the pipe joins, the muffler joins the pipe, I got to wrap that with something, put a clamp on it, because I think I got a leak from there. I like this rack. I like the idea of having the rack, because I'm always going to haul stuff back and forth to the store. I got to do something else with it. I thought I had the cover for this brake light, but I didn't. It didn't quite fit. It was just a little bit off. So since it's kind of broken anyway, I might buy another one for that. Foot pegs aren't even tight. I'm not done working on it. But I'm happy with it. It runs good, feels good. It's smooth. It's torquey. Well, that's it for now. I'll get back when I'm totally finished, and I might come back before I get it on the road, because I still got a lot more to do before I can get it inspected. So I'll come back before then to show the final after it's been cleaned and and the rust taken off, all that kind of stuff. All right, have a good day. Bye.